South Shore Tech is a regional vocational high school. We're the second oldest regional vocational school in Massachusetts. Students come to our school and after exploring the 12 programs, halfway through their 9th grade year, end up going into one of our 12 majors.
So the beauty of this school is that someday these kids, when they graduate, they could be those carpenters building your homes. They could be those plumbers coming in and repairing your pipes.
Metal fabricators and welders, allied health assistants, HVAC technicians, automotive technicians.
They could be the landscape contractors who are coming in to create a beautiful outdoor living environments for you.
And we're committed to building tomorrow's future with today's kids.
South Shore Tech definitely helped me find my career. I wouldn't know where I would be without it. Kids come here and they grow and they learn and they figure out what they like and they don't like. It's a big self-discovery. Now I'm kind of thinking about jumping straight into the working field.
The current workforce in the vocations is starting to retire and more people are wanting to come here every year.
We're at a point now in our school's evolution where the building isn't getting any younger. We're more popular than ever before, and so we're hoping to meet the moment with a building design and construction project that will let us accept more students and make a solid investment for our area for the next 50 or 60 years.
The school has done a great job at maintaining it over the years, but has come to a point where it's not cost effective anymore to continue to make these repairs. The more viable option is to build a new school.
We've MacGyvered every space that we have in this building. There isn't a wall that we haven't pondered, putting it up, taking it down, condensing. We have maximized every square foot.
We're just on top of each other. At a moment in time, there could be 40 to 45 kids in here at a moment.
I have to turn kids away from their desired vocational major because we've run out of space. I have to buy or rent Connex boxes to store vocational supplies outside the shop footprint because we don't want that to get in the way of bringing kids into the building. All of those are instructional limitations.
You walk up and down the halls, there's water spots on the ceiling, there's stains in the floor because of leaking underneath the floors, there's wires hanging out in the weld shop. We can't track down where the wires are because the plans are so old.
Most of them can be boiled down to a lack of modern accessibility, poor security, and systems that are nearing the end of their useful life. But we'll be able to address that in new construction. We're looking for a school that serves the core mission, but does add in what public education has learned in the last half century, which is you need to have more flexible space for student learning. We've got shops, and they're bigger, and they're better laid out, and they're more secure. There's not 1 square foot of this space that we haven't pondered how it could be used for multiple purposes. We're going to use it for civic events, we're going to use it for traditional assemblies. And that's where I think this design meets the moment in the most affordable way possible.
I feel like having a new school will definitely give more students the opportunity to grow and provide more hands-on learning.
Our students deserve the same learning that every other student does across America. We have to give kids what they need to be able to learn adequately and make sure that a child's learning environment is to the standard it needs to be.
You know, we really do need this. We'll have a huge impact on these kids' lives.